flip your world upside down to banish hiccups instantly. It sounds bizarre, but drinking water while bending forward and upside down can actually reset your diaphragm and stop those annoying spasms. When you contort your body in this way, you create pressure that interrupts the nerve signals causing hiccups. This quirky method forces your diaphragm to contract differently, breaking the cycle of involuntary hiccup contractions. It's like giving your body a gentle jolt, resetting the system. Plus, the focus required to balance while drinking distracts your brain from the hiccup reflex. So next time you're hit with those pesky hiccups, skip the spoonful of sugar or holding your breath. Grab a glass, bend over, and let gravity do the trick.